Salman v. U.S. is about three men, two of whom are brothers and the other is a brother-in-law, who traded information among each other. Maher worked for Citigroup, and he accessed certain inside information, which he then passed to his brother Michael. And Michael started passing the information to Salman that he was getting from his own brother Maher. It is clear that Salman traded on this information in order to make a profit. This is arguably, the government has said, insider trading. Whether it actually is insider trading for Salman is an open question, and that's the question that the Supreme Court is going to decide. This is a case about insider trading, which is, in the most basic terms, buying or selling securities based on insider information that's not known to the general market and is therefore not incorporated into the price of the securities. It's considered to be a fraud on the company whose information it is. If you take the information and use it to make profits, you're taking an opportunity that belongs to the company. You're using it for yourself, not for the company's benefit. Holding the information is not what subjects you to insider trading liability. What subjects you to liability is your relationship to how you got the information. Whether you're a company insider, whether you have some sort of other obligation to the company. You can't just give inside information as a gift. So if I know that if you trade on this information, you're going to make $1 million, I can't just present that to you and say, here's your Christmas present, here's an insider trading tip, it's $1 million. You have the question of, was this an intentional gift to Salman, or was it just a gift to his brother-in-law? These three men were very close to one another. They have strong familial ties, not only through blood and marriage, but also through personal affection. So clearly, Maher must have intended to benefit his brother and his brother-in-law in passing along the information. The Ninth Circuit found that Salman was guilty of insider trading, that because of the familial relationship among the men, this constituted essentially a gift from Maher and Michael to Salman. In the Salman case, one of the things that would help Salman the most, I think, is just the fact that it winds up being so attenuated. Michael cooperated with the government and gave testimony. Maher also testified. And Maher said at trial that he gave the information to his brother to help him, to benefit all of his needs. But for Michael to then turn around and give this information to Salman, it's really hard to tie that back to Maher. It wasn't clear that that was his intent in giving the information to Michael, was for it to be passed on to Salman, for Salman to make money off of it. The government is making this argument in some ways that if you have a close relationship with somebody and you happen to get inside information from them, that constitutes insider trading, and that is a real expansion of what has generally been understood as insider trading law.